Introduction to the Change Management Iceberg. Developed by Wilfried Krüger, the Change Management Iceberg is a visualization of what is arguably the essence of change in organizations, dealing with barriers to change. At the top of the iceberg, above the surface, we have issue management. Issue management consists of costs, quality, and time, factors which account for a minority of all change issues, but are often the only factors many change managers consider. However, below the surface, there are two more dimensions of change and implementation management: management of perceptions and beliefs, and power and politics management. Krüger says, general management has a persistent task and challenge to deal with change. Superficial issue management can only achieve results at a level consistent with acceptance of that which is below the surface. The base of change management is subject to power and politics and to management of perception and beliefs. To overcome the barriers to change presented in the Change Management Iceberg, there are three types of management which must be implemented. Issue management, the top of the iceberg, which includes cost, quality, and time. Management of perceptions and beliefs, which is understanding the outward and hidden perceptions and beliefs of people that must be considered to overcome change barriers. And power and politics management, for those who are involved in the change and need convincing, power and politics can play a valuable role. Krüger categorized those stakeholders who affect the barriers for change into the following four groups. Promoters. Promoters have a positive attitude towards change and expect to gain benefits from it and thus support it. Potential promoters. Potential promoters have a positive attitude towards a change but are not entirely convinced of its benefits. They can be converted to promoters by management of power and politics. Hidden opponents. Hidden opponents may seem to support change but internally have a negative attitude towards it. Management of perceptions and beliefs, along with issue management, can be used to change their outlook of the change. Opponents. Opponents have a negative attitude and behavior towards change. Management of perception and belief must be used to change their attitude as much as possible. The kind of change barriers that arise and what kinds of implementation management is required depends on the following. The first is the type of change, hard versus soft. Hard aspects, that is, IT systems, business processes, are too superficial. However, soft aspects, those things such as values, mindsets, capabilities, are often much more profound. The second factor is the applied change strategy, such as revolutionary. This represents dramatic change, such as business process re-engineering, or evolutionary, incremental change, such as continuous improvement and Kaizen approaches. The value of Krüger's Change Iceberg is to improve the effort around planning for change and how to engage and manage both supportive and non-supportive stakeholders with awareness of all the factors that need to be accounted for and managed. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel.